let me show you how I found this $2,500 dryer on the side of the road. So first we're gonna open it up, go ahead and check the door switch. Everything seems fine. It's a little ugly. It's got some rust on it. We're gonna go ahead and put a cord on it, make sure that it powers up, the motor works, and the timer works before we start working on it and waste our time. Now, as soon as we hit start, it's pretty obvious what's going on here, but I'm gonna take you inside. You can see here where the drum and the rear bulkhead are actually coming apart. That means we probably have a bad roller. After we make sure to unplug it, we're gonna go to the top, pull the lint filter out, take out the 2 Phillips screws, then we can pull the top straight up like a G-push, and just go ahead and lean that back against the wall, or you can even let it hang there. Grab a screwdriver, disconnect your door switch, take a 5/16 nut driver, remove both the screws that hold on the front of the cabinet, pull straight up on both sides, and we can set this guy to the side. Now, this is my favorite part of any kind of Whirlpool dryer because there's always some kind of change inside, and this is what I found. A 1926 silver dollar. This isn't made up. I didn't stage this. This is literally what I found on the side of the road. Now, seeing as I know hardly anything about coins, I pretty much myself when I looked at the red book and saw how much this thing is worth. But that's a completely separate video, so let's get back to the dryer. To get the drum out, we have to take the belt off the idler pulley and the motor, and then we can pick the drum up by the belt and pull it out. With the drum out, we have access to see everything, so we can inspect the rollers, which clearly this guy's good, right? Nope. And then we can see if this guy's stuck a little bit, and we can get us some pocket change, maybe some collector's items, maybe a string for your hoodie, some hairballs. You never know. But honestly, this is my favorite part. I love doing dryers just because I can do about 20 of them in a day. You always find cool stuff. Even if you don't find valuable stuff, it's still fun. And they're super easy. We're gonna go ahead and spin it around now. Take the back panel off, which is just 9 perimeter screws. And you don't have to worry about mixing any of them up because they're all exactly the same. Once we have the back off, we're always gonna take out the lint canister because we have to make sure there's no restrictions. It's not clogged up. All it is 4 screws on the bottom left-hand side. And if you're only doing the back, you do have to remember to go up and take those 2 Phillips screws out of the canister on the top of the panel. And looking at this guy, I can tell the reason why it's probably on the curb is because it got too hot from being packed full of lint. Either the filter wasn't changed or they had a clog in their exhaust. But what happens is now it puts all this excess heat inside of the dryer and it either kills the element, it blows a fuse, or what happened here, the roller casing gets super hot and it busts off. But the main point is just how important it is to always make sure you clear out your lint trap, and you have to maintain your dryer. And I will admit that I did have a little bit more to this video, but I got excited about my silver dollar and I definitely forgot to record putting it back together. But everything works great and it's already got a new home. We went ahead and donated it since we got it for free and had a little come up. But thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the silver dollar video.